It's the end of a long day, and your house is full of people. There are other family members, other rooms, and even a perfectly comfortable dog bed in the corner. Yet, your male dog doesn't hesitate. He bypasses everyone else and heads straight for you, claiming his spot right by your side. Most owners think this is just a random display of affection, or maybe just a habit. But if we look under the surface, into the complex neural pathways of the canine brain, we find a high-stakes biological decision. In the world of dog logic, your dog isn't just picking a bed, he is selecting a primary biological anchor. Behavioral neuroscience reveals that male dogs in particular operate on a different chemical frequency than females when it comes to sleep. While we see a good boy curling up on the duvet, his brain is actually executing a sophisticated Sentinel Protocol driven by a hormone most owners have never heard of. Today we're going inside the neurochemistry of the male dog to reveal exactly why he chose you over everyone else in the house, the invisible heartbeat sync that happens while you dream, and why this nightly ritual is actually a 15,000-year-old security contract written in his DNA. If you want to decode the true language of your best friend, you're in the right place. Subscribe and let's unlock the logic of the pack. To understand why a male dog locks on to one person, we have to move past the idea of friendship and look at what scientists call social hierarchy mapping. In a typical household, your dog isn't just seeing a family, he's scanning a network of biological signals. While female dogs are often driven by oxytocin, the nurture hormone that focuses on emotional comfort, male dogs have a higher concentration of a different chemical, vasopressin. In the animal kingdom, vasopressin is the guardian hormone. It's linked to territoriality, pair bonding, and protection. When a male dog decides who to sleep with, his brain is essentially running a security audit. He isn't necessarily looking for the person who gives him the most treats or the most belly rubs. He is looking for his biological baseline. Think of your household as a complex Wi-Fi network. Every person emits a different signal strength based on their scent, their stress levels, and their stability. Your dog's brain is like a high-precision receiver looking for the most stable router in the house. For a male dog, sleep isn't just rest, it's a tactical reset. By choosing to sleep next to you, his brain has flagged your neurochemical signature as the most reliable anchor in the pack. Research suggests that male dogs gravitate toward the person who provides the most consistent atmospheric calm. This is where the Sentinel Protocol kicks in. His vasopressin levels rise when he is in physical contact with his chosen anchor. This chemical doesn't just make him feel happy, it makes him feel purposeful. By plugging into your scent and your rhythm, he is fulfilling a deep-seated evolutionary requirement to guard the most valuable asset in his world. But there's a secret hidden in his nose that helps him make this choice, something that happens long before he even jumps onto the bed. It's called olfactory synchronization, and it's the reason why your specific scent acts like a sedative for his nervous system. While you're brushing your teeth, his brain is already downloading your chemical data from the air, preparing his system to sync with yours for the next 8 hours. But the choice isn't just about scent or hormones. It actually reaches into the very rhythm of your life. There's a phenomenon in behavioral biology called physiological synchronization, and it's one of the most incredible things happening in your bedroom right now. Think of your heart and your dog's heart as two separate instruments. When you're awake and moving, you're playing different songs, but the moment you lie down to sleep, something strange happens. Your dog isn't just lying next to you, his nervous system is trying to match yours. Scientists use a metric called heart rate variability, or HRV, to measure how stressed or relaxed a nervous system is. High HRV means you're calm and resilient. Low HRV means you're in fight or flight mode. Studies have shown that when a dog and their chosen person sleep together, their heart rates actually begin to mirror each other. But here is the dog logic twist for male dogs. Because of that vasopressin we talked about, male dogs are often on duty even when they appear to be napping. Their brains are constantly scanning for threats. For a male dog to truly reach a state of deep restorative REM sleep, he needs a reference point. He needs to know that his leader, his anchor, is calm. By pressing his body against yours, he is literally plugging into your nervous system. He uses your steady, slow breathing and your relaxed heart rate as a biological signal that it's safe to power down his own internal alarm system. It's like a smartphone wirelessly charging on a pad. He is recharging his emotional and physical energy by drawing from your stability. This is why he chooses one specific person. He isn't looking for just any human. He is looking for the human whose heart rate and energy fit his biological needs. If you've ever noticed your dog letting out a deep, long sigh the moment he settles against your leg, that is the exact second his nervous system has successfully synced with yours. His brain has received the all-clear signal, and he can finally stop being a sentinel and start being a sleeper. But what happens when this sync is broken? And more importantly, what is he actually doing with all that data he's collecting from you while you sleep? To truly understand why your dog made this specific choice, we have to travel back 15,000 years to the very first campfires. This isn't just a cute habit, it is an ancient, legally binding contract written in his DNA. In the wild, sleep was the most dangerous part of the day. For a wolf to survive, it needed a secure perimeter. But when humans and wolves began to merge their lives, a great security contract was signed. Humans provided the high-calorie food and the warmth of the fire, and in exchange, the dogs provided something humans lacked, 360-degree sensory awareness during the night. But why does a male dog pick one person instead of the whole family? The answer lies in a fascinating area of genetics. Scientists have discovered that domestic dogs carry unique genetic markers in a region of chromosome 6. This specific area of their genome is associated with human-directed social behavior. While all dogs have this, male dogs often manifest it through a binary bond. In the wild, a sentinel doesn't report to a committee, he reports to a commander. His brain is evolutionarily hardwired to select a primary point of contact. When your dog chooses you, he isn't just liking you more, he's fulfilling a 15,000-year-old genetic imprint that tells him to find the most stable leader and stay within physical range of their scent and heartbeat. This is why even if you're in a deep sleep, your male dog's ears might twitch at a sound outside. He's offloading his need for emotional security onto you, so he can use his remaining bandwidth to scan the environment for you. It's a perfect biological trade. He gives you his protection, and you give him the safe signal he needs to stay sane in a world of strange noises and smells. But this choice isn't permanent, and it's not just about history. There's a shadow side to this choice that every owner needs to understand, the moment when the choice changes, and what it's actually telling you about your dog's health. There are countless documented cases of dogs suddenly switching their chosen person in a household. Why? Because they've detected a shift in someone else's biosignatures. Whether it's a rise in stress hormones, a change in blood sugar, or even an undiagnosed illness, your dog's brain might reassign him to a new station. He isn't abandoning you, he's being deployed to where the pack's biological vulnerability is highest. If your sentinel changes his routine, don't take it personally. Use it as an early warning system. His logic is purely driven by the safety of the pack, and his shift in location might be the first alert that something in your home's biological environment has changed. If this deep dive into the male dog's mind changed how you see those nightly cuddles, hit that subscribe button and join our pack. I want to hear from you. Does your dog have a favorite side of the bed, or do they have a specific ritual before they settle in? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.